Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Chat GPT to ask your boss for a pay rise. But before I do that, if you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first, head over to Chat GPT by following this link. Then in the box below, I'm going to type in, I've written there, write an email to my boss requesting a pay rise, and I've specified them to make it convincing. So I'm just going to hit enter and let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. And there you have it. There's the email to your boss requesting a pay rise. You can copy and paste this into a new email, but don't forget to change some things where it asks you to list specific projects or tasks and provide examples here that are enclosed in brackets. And that's all it takes to use ChatGPT to request a pay rise from your boss. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.